Good morning, children. Hope you all are well. This is Rinku Giri with part 3 video of chapter number 4, Birds for Standard 3. Children, you are able to eat food by using your teeth. But do you know that birds do not have teeth? They have beaks that help them to catch their food and eat it. So, different shapes and kinds of beaks we see in different birds. It is because of the food habit. Birds use their feet and claws also to catch their food, to protect themselves and to sit on trees branches. Today we are going to cover up the topic beaks and claws. So let's have a look on different kinds of beaks in birds. Number 1, sparrows, pigeons, peacock and finches have short, hard and horny beaks. All these birds eat grains and seeds. Spear-like beaks of the heron and the kingfisher help to catch fish. Second, a strong hooked beak for tearing flesh is found in eagles and vultures. Third, hard, sharp and curved beaks for tearing flesh of small animals are found in hawks and owls. Fourth, a hooked beak for cracking nuts and seeds from fruits is found in cockatoos and parrots. The parrot's beak also helps it to climb up trees. Fifth, a strong and heavy beak is found in woodpeckers. Woodpecker use their beak to tap at the bark of trees in search of insects. Sixth, soft, broad beaks are found in swallows. Their mouths are very sticky inside. The swallows fly with their beaks wide open and catch hundreds of flies and insects which stick inside their mouth. Seventh, a long, slender and curved beak is found in the hoopoe. It uses its beak to pull out insects from holes in the ground. The spoonbill uses its spoon-like beak to gather shellfish and water insects. And flamingos have fine combs along with the edges of their bills which strain mud, plants and shellfish from the water. 8. A broad and flat beak is found in the duck. This is used for digging up the mud under water. And the beak of the duck has got the strainers all along the edge. Water and mud go out through these strainers and whatever is necessary will stay inside. Their food will stay inside. Small plants or tiny water animals remain in the mouth. So isn't it very interesting how different birds are using their different beaks differently? Now we'll see feet and claws. Different birds have different types of feet and claws. Different birds have different habits and so their feet and claws also differ in shape and size. See parrot, duck and eagle. And birds like the crow, sparrow, myna and thrush can hold the branches of the trees firmly even while sleeping. You know why? Such birds are called perching birds because they are able to perch the branches of the trees. They have long and slender claws with 3 toes in the front and 1 toe at the back. Climbing birds like parrot and woodpecker have 2 toes pointing upwards and 2 downwards. Climbing birds can cling on the bark of the trees, and this type of claws are helpful for climbing the trees. Then comes the preying birds like eagle, hawk and owl. They have the strong and sharp claws. These claws help them catch and hold their prey firmly and then carry it away. See, this picture is shown for that. Running or scratching birds like chickens use their sharp, horny claws to scratch the earth for seeds and worms. They pull out the insects and worms from inside the earth. These birds have strong feet with 3 long toes in front and a short hind toe. Male chickens like cocks or roosters have a spine like spur above each foot. Wading birds like stork, heron and crane have thin and long legs with wide spreading toes. See its toes. These toes keep the feet from sinking in the soft mud. They are able to walk on it. Then comes the swimming birds like the duck have special webs of skin between each of their toes. These work like paddles and help the birds to swim easily. A pintail duck swims with its webbed feet. So here we take leave, children. Thank you for watching my video. I have tried my best to make it easy and interesting. So keep practicing and learning questions at home. Keep social distancing. Stay home, stay safe and stay healthy. Have a nice day.